Hi, my name is Xander Hong, and I'm currently a freshman at NC State who's coding into computer engineering. One of the things that I really love about IEEE is the hands-on learning experience and opportunities that it gives me to learn electrical and computer engineering concepts within a community of passionate other engineers. One of their programs, OPS, has given me hands-on circuit building and Arduino programming experience, things that I just didn't get in high school.
Hi, I'm Shepard Robertson. I'm a first-year engineer at NC State. I'm planning on majoring in electrical engineering. We have breadboard workshops, and we also have lectures about circuitry and different aspects of what you put on breadboards, such as microcontrollers, LEDs, and potentiometers. And what this has given me is my first hands-on experience, and I feel more prepared for my future classes.
Help us keep IEEE thriving. Give today and invest in the future of ECE. Go back.